Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on Highway 2000 East-West leg. Now we are at the Vineyards Toll Plaza on the same road. This is the first toll plaza you will come to when you're journeying from Kingston to Maypen. So you have a toll plaza here at Vineyards, and then you have another one at Maypen, and then you have another one at Tollgate. So today we're going to give you an update on the Tollgate toll plaza. Now Tollgate would be for the leg between Maypen and Mandeville of the highway. But no toll has been charged on that leg of the highway. And they were to start collecting toll in July 2024. But they have postponed it to August 17 because of the hurricane. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information as to why they postponed it. The government has postponed the implementation of toll on the Maypen to Williamsfield leg of Highway 2000. The compassionate move is to give a reprieve to motorists in the aftermath of Hurricane Beryl. Prime Minister Andrew Holness announced that the planned commencement of tolling on the highway, which was originally scheduled to begin in July 2024, has now been rescheduled to August 17. This decision has been made to prioritize recovery and relief efforts in the affected areas. Prime Minister Holness said the delay will allow for critical resources and attention to be directed towards aiding the communities in the southern parishes hardest hit by the hurricane, ensuring they receive the necessary support to rebuild and recover. We recognize the immense challenges faced by the residents in the wake of Hurricane Beryl. Our priority is to support the ongoing recovery efforts and to provide some relief to those affected by delaying the implementation of the new toll, said Prime Minister Holness. The postponement also aims to facilitate smoother transitions for commuters and businesses that rely on this key infrastructure. The National Road Operating and Construction Company (NROC) will continue to monitor the situation closely and provide updates as needed. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think about the toll being delayed till August 17. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.